Yes, Executive Director, we expect an answer
Yes,
from you.
yes,
Unfortunately, sir, parang wala kasi talaga, our impression is wala kayong ginagawa.
So, Mr. Chair, that is why we have a problem. Because we don't only have an inefficient agency in our country that we call the Philippine Competitive Commission. And that is why we are in this mess, Mr. Chair. I don't want to do this, Mr. Chair, and that I'll be moving to cite somebody in contempt. I therefore move that we cite in contempt the Executive Director of the Philippine Competition Commission for repeatedly lying and failing to do their job. So moved.
May I now recognize the last interpellator, the Honorable Janet Garin.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Hindi na sana ako magtatanong, Mr. Chair, kasi may Christmas party akong pupuntahan eh. But I really cannot take off hearing all what we have been, the information that we have been generating since this morning. Something seems clear. Things are happening because we have enablers. Kaya, Mr. Chair, I really cannot take off from the Philippine Competition Commission. Balikan ko po ang PCC, Mr. Chair. Sir, can we have the mandate of PCC?
PCC is a quasi-judicial body mandated to implement the Philippine Competition Act to prohibit anti-competitive agreements, abuse of dominant position, and anti-competitive mergers and acquisition, Madam Chair. Mr. Chair.
Will you confirm, Honorable Resource Person, Mr. Chair, sasang-ayon ka ba pag sinabi natin foremost in your obligation is consumer welfare?
Tama po, Kong.
Sasang-ayon ka ba rin na foremost sa inyong obligasyon ay competitive business environment?
Tama po, Kong.
Sa narinig niyo po kanina, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, sa pananaw niyo ba merong sabwatan sa usaping bigas or wala?
Yan po ang theory of harm po namin sa investigation po. Yun yung piniprove namin po na magkaroon ng ebidensya.
Okay,
Na may
punta
sabwatan.
tayo sa dolyar. Kasi di ba ang sabi, it's a possible thing na 56 dati, naging 59 ngayon. Can you translate that into pesos per kilo? Yung impact na yon. O di ba, ang sabi ni Secretary Ralph Recto, nung in-announce niya ito sa isang press release ng June 2024, by August, bababa ang presyo ng bigas by 5 or 6 pesos per kilo. And we have seen that in many media outlets. Can you now translate that, yung dollar, yung currency, na 56 to approximately 58, magkano po ang impact nun in pesos?
Madam Chair, sorry, hindi ko po masasagot po ngayon. Hindi ko makalculate.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, napakasimple po kasi ng tanong eh. Kung itong bigas ay binibili mo example $1 per kilo, so 56 yan. So ngayon, magiging 58 yan. Pero meron tayong binawas na 20% ng buwis, which translates to 6 pesos. Kaya nga po ang tanong napakasimple, doon ba sa increase in dollar to peso conversion as compared doon sa expected decrease na 6 pesos per kilo, minimum pa yun. Kasi ang sabi ni Congresswoman Stella Kimbo, it should be around 15. Pero punta tayo dun sa nirelease ng DOF na 6 na piso. Ang tanong ko, can you translate that in pesos? Para kung yung 6 na piso, bababa ba siya by how many pesos? Mr. Chair, it's very simple. And if PCC refuses to answer us on this matter, it gives me the impression that they are not really sincere in their job.
Yes, may we get a response, sir?
Sa ngayon po, Madam Chair, sorry talaga po, hindi ko po
With this, Mr. Chair,
ma-calculate
I'm
po.
really sorry, but I've been tolerating it since this morning. Napakasimple po kasi ng tanong eh. At andito tayo, kaharap ang ahensya na dapat inaalagaan ang presyo ng kinakain ng taong bayan. If we have an officer from PCC, Mr. Chair, who cannot simply compute something that is actually part of their task, how can they monitor? Matanong ko nga po, bakit hindi niyo po masagot, Your Honor?
Dahil po yung presyo lang po ng bigas na available po sa merkado at saka sa data na nakukuha po namin sa Bureau of Customs, yun po yung
Mr. Chair,
monitor namin.
ang tanong ko is simply theoretically. Ulitin natin, sinabi ng Department of Finance, pag binaba ang buwis ng 20%, ang tao ay makakaramdam ng bawas na 6 na piso bawat kilo ng bigas. Can DOF confirm this, Mr. Chair? They already confirmed this earlier. Can we confirm that again, ma'am?
Yes, Director Jolly.
Yes, yes po. Yun po yung...
Ang sabi naman ng DA ni Asek Bebang, ang isang nakikitang punto na sinasabi daw ng iba, ang rason ay ang pagtaas ng dollars between 56 to around 58 pesos. So ano ba ang impact ng 2 piso na yun dun sa presyo ng bigas? Because, Mr. Chair, even with this simple computation, hindi masagot ng PCC, then we're doomed. Because this is the very agency that is supposed to take care of this pricing. Kaya andi dito ngayon yung Kongreso, kaya tayo ay sumasawsaw dahil kailangan ng batas simply because people in some executive offices are not doing their job. And I'm sorry, Mr. Chair, but I might be constrained to move that our good, distinguished resource person here be cited in contempt para matauhan sila at makita nila na seryoso tayo. Because our good resource person, Mr. Chair, is lying. Paano mo naman sasabing hindi mo alam? Paano mo sasabing wala kang alam? Kukumputin nyo pa, maghahanap pa kayo ng ebidensya. Maybe, Mr. Chair, upon reckoning in the room where there is silence, well taken care of, with minimal connection to people in other areas of his life, maybe mas mapagtutuunan po, Mr. Chair, ng pansin ng ating kagalang-galang na representante ng PCC ang ganitong bagay.
Yes, Executive Director, we expect an answer
Yes,
from you.
yes,
Unfortunately,
Mr.
sir, parang wala kasi talaga, our impression is wala kayong ginagawa. I'm sure at some level you are working on something. So, please share naman with this committee. Diba, we need to do something about this.
Yes, Mr. Chair, bigyan nyo lang po kami ng chance na yung tanong na yun ay masagot namin at
Yeah, Mr.
ma-compute po
Chair,
namin
I'm
po.
hopeless with PCC. Punta na lang po ako sa Bureau of Customs, but I'm not going back from the possible proposal that I mentioned earlier.